If you're done messing around with multiple setups and you want a true 5-axis machine that produces complex parts with higher productivity, you need the DVF 5000 in your shop. It's an all-new, cutting-edge technology from Doosan Machine Tools and an automation-ready difference maker. Speed meets strength with the DVF 5000. The remarkable 18,000 RPM spindle allows for total access to the part while maintaining maximum rigidity. The direct spindle and rotary table design minimizes deflection. The spacious work envelope allows for machining on parts of up to 400 kilograms. If it's increased productivity you've been dreaming of, this machine features a tool magazine with a maximum capacity of 120 tools and an automatic workpiece changer that supports up to 8 pallets for lights-out machining. And you don't need much space to install the DVF 5000. Its compact footprint fits comfortably in the smallest of shops. So if you're ready to grow your business and elevate your 5-axis machining game, the DVF 5000 is the answer. It's the latest innovation from Doosan Machine Tools.